I've been seeing services by South Eastern and Thames and possibly some freight as well. Here we have a pair of 376s which will later form a service to London Cannon Street, I presume, with a recently painted 376 over there. So with that all being said, let's just see what Orpington has to offer. Soon to pass through now will be a South Eastern service pair of 375s going from Ramsgate and Faversham to London Charing Cross. 815 leading, with 375 613 trailing. Love two turn from the driver in the lane. As departing now is the, I think the 0950 South Eastern service to London Victoria, which is 465179, I think that says. That's beside me is 700-058, which will later be doing that ECS into the outside. Soon to arrive in now will be a South Eastern 376 terminating in from London Cannon Street. So leading this one in is 376 036, as heading off into the sidings now is 376 014. Going ECS to Orpington sidings, I suspect. And of the 376 that is beside me is 376 005, and not sure about the rear. And off goes 700 058. Going ECS. That's probably going to be in the sidings until later in the day, I would have thought. We might see that unit later, then again we might not, who knows. Soon to pass through now will be a South Eastern pair of 375s. 375 830 with 375 616 going to Ramsgate from London Charing Cross.
Petts Wood in Chislehurst.
Soon to arrive in now will be the 1008 South Eastern fares from Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross.
East and London Charing Cross. This train has 8 coaches. Change at Grove Park for services to Bromley North.
So leading the front unit in is 465041. We'll catch her the rear when she leaves. Soon to depart now will be the 1005 South Eastern says to London Victoria with 465 leading. We'll capture the rear set as she goes by. Five 039 brings up the rear.
We are sorry that the 10:09 service to Hastings is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. This is due to a fault on a train earlier. This train is currently between New Cross and Hither Green.
So into the part now will be the 10:08 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross. Brings up the rear. Also passing (375 809) and 912 working these shows from Hastings to London Charing Cross. As incoming now will be a terminating South Eastern service from London Victoria with a 465-9 leading. So screeching her way in is 465 914. With 465 922 on the rear.
Trains between London Charing Cross and Sevenoaks will be diverted by an alternative route and will run non-stop between Lewisham and Petts Wood. Replacement buses will run between Lewisham and Orpington, calling at all stations.
We'll see that go back out when she heads up, bound for London Victoria. Incoming now will be the 10:14 South Eastern service from London Charing Cross to Sevenoaks. So leading the front set in is 465 925. With 465 002.
service to Hastings. Sorry,
Making our
some toilets on this
preparations
train are out of use.
to depart now will be the 10:14 South Eastern Service to Sevenoaks. Okay, soon to pass through now with a nice tone from the driver. Here's a DR Tampa DR 75008 working a service going from Petts Wood sidings to East Croydon up sidings. I wasn't expecting any freight to come through today, but there you go.
3 for the 10.
Soon to arrive in now, 8 minutes late, will be the 10:09
Calling at Sevenoaks, Tunbridge,
South Eastern
Road,
Service
Tunbridge
from
Wells,
London Charing Cross to
Frank,
Hastings.
Wadhurst, Stonegate, Etchingham, Robertsbridge, Battle, Crowhurst, West St Leonard's Warriors Square, and Hastings. This train has 8 coaches. There are
So leading the front set of this one is 375 917. With 375 904 on the rear. Soon to depart now will be the delayed 10:09 South Eastern Service to Hastings. As down in the far distance will be the 10:20 South Eastern Service from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross.
Platform 2 of the 10:20 South Eastern Service to London Charing Cross, calling at London Bridge, London Waterloo, and London Charing Cross.
Platform
This
3
train
for the
has
10:22 South Eastern service to Tunbridge Wells. Calling at Sevenoaks, Chislehurst, Tunbridge, Road, and Tunbridge Wells. This train has 8 coaches.
So leading the front set of this one in
Platform 3
is 465 192. We'll catch her to the rear when she leaves. As now heading off will be the 10:20 South Eastern Service to London Victoria with 465 922 leading.
Platform 3 for the 10:22.
As incoming now will be the
Service to
10:22
Tunbridge Wells.
South Eastern Service from London Charing Cross to Tunbridge Wells.
High Road and Tunbridge Wells. This train has 8 coaches.
So leading the front set in is 465031. 465 910. And 465 914 is on the back of the London Victoria service, as back ready to go now will be the 1020 South Eastern Service to London Charing Cross. Four 65 164 is on. About ready to go now will be the 1022 South Eastern Service to Tunbridge Wells. I think about one. Soon to arrive in now will be terminating South Eastern Service from London Victoria. So screeching her way in is 465 I16 I think is on the front. Now heading off is the 1022 I think, South Eastern Service to London Cannon Street. And 465 025 is on the rear of the terminating service from London Victoria. Soon to arrive in now will be a terminating South Eastern Service from London Cannon Street. Soon to pass through now will be a South Eastern pair of 375s going from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory. 375 621, 375 703 is on the rear of that one. Four 65 158 leads this one in. And bringing up the rear is 465 911. Or 911, either one you want to say. There you go. See that when she heads back out for London Cannon Street. Soon to come charging through now will be a pair of Southeastern 375s going from Faversham and Ramsgate to London Charing Cross, running about 5 minutes late. 611 and 3.573, bouncing us over those points. Lovely two-tone from the driver, thank you very much. Soon to depart now will be the 10:35 South Eastern Service to London Victoria. With 465025 now leaving. With 465016 now on the rear. Soon to arrive in now will be a terminating South Eastern Service from London Victoria. As also incoming will be the 10:39 South Eastern Service from London Charing Cross to Hastings. So on the front of this set is 465080. And here comes the 10:39 to Hastings. So leading the front set of the Hastings service is 375630. With 375608 as stand there 4 minutes late is the 10:38 South Eastern service from Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross. 465047 is on the rear of that set. We'll catch these two when they go back out. Now the pine is the delayed 10:38 South Eastern service from Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross, and also the 10:39 to Hastings. As also passing through now will be a South Eastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. (375-707-819). 465-107 is on the front of this set with 465-168 trailing. That better not happen often where 3 trains come through at the same time. Soon to arrive in now is the 10:44 South Eastern service from London Charing Cross to Tunbridge Wells, as leaving behind me was the 10:39 to Hastings. So leaving the front set of this set is 465030. 034 bringing up the rear. About ready to go now will be the 1044 South Eastern service to Sevenoaks. Incoming now will be the 1050 South Eastern service from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. It's about ready to go. Beside me will be the 1050 South Eastern service to London Victoria. On the front of this set is 465 170 will catch you the rear when she departs. As now heading off is the 1050 to London Victoria.
On the 29th of June, planned engineering works affect this station. Engineering work is taking place between Hither Green and Petts Wood, closing some lines. Trains between London Charing Cross and Sevenoaks will be diverted via an alternative route that will run non-stop between Lewisham and Petts Wood. Replacement buses will run between Lewisham and Orpington, calling at all stations. The following stations will be closed and will only be served by replacement buses: Grove Park, Elmstead, Woods, Chislehurst.
It's about ready to go now will be the 1050 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross. With 465 155 on the rear, as incoming now at ECS will be a South Eastern service from London Cannon Street from 465 166. With 465 035 bringing up the rear. This will either go ECS to Grove Park Carriage Holding sidings or into Orpington sidings that are behind me right now. You can find out. Soon to depart now will be the 1054 South Eastern service to London Cannon Street. As behind me will be a terminating South Eastern service from London Victoria. That was 465 196 on the front of the terminating service. 465 158 now brings up the rear for that service. And on the rear of this service will be soon to come charging through now will be a southeastern service going from Dover Priory and Canterbury West to London Charing Cross. Three 824 and 375 607. Okay, we've got multiple services turning up. First being a southeastern pair of 375s passing from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate. 375 613 with 375 815 brings up the rear for that unit. As incoming now will be a terminating southeastern service from London Cannon Street in the form of 465 196. Here on the front. 465 028 brings up the rear. Now heading off ECS now will be a southeastern service bound for Grove Park carriage holding sidings. 465 035 leading.
Engineering works affect this station. Engineering work is taking place between Hither Green and Petts Wood, closing some lines. Trains between London Charing Cross and Sevenoaks will be diverted via an alternative.
Soon to arriving now is the 1108 southeastern service from Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross. Four 65 002 is on the front returning. About ready to go now will be the 1105 southeastern service to London Victoria. Now, if we're lucky, we might see some southeastern 707s making an appearance, because sometimes they do the London Cannon Street to Orpington runs.
Platform 3 for the 1109 Southeastern service to Hastings. Calling at Sevenoaks, Hildenborough,
Now heading north is the 1108 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross, as behind me will be the 1109 service from
Platform
London
3
Charing Cross
for
to
the
Hastings.
1109 Southeastern service to Hastings. Calling at Sevenoaks,
In fact, here she comes.
Tunbridge,
So leading in the Hastings service is 375 912. Recent 5809 is on the rear, and on the rear of this set is 465 925. And I think I can just about see a Southeastern 707 down in the distance. I could be wrong, but it looks like it from the angle. We'll just have to wait and find out. It arrives.
Planned engineering works affect this station.
Soon to depart now will be 1109 Southeastern service to Hastings.
Trains between London Charing Cross and Sevenoaks will be diverted by
As incoming now will be the 1114 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Sevenoaks. 707 010 is leading the front set. With 707 011 on the rear. Soon beside me will be the 1108 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross, running about 4 minutes late. So leading the front set in from Hastings is 375 704 by the looks of it. Catch you the rear, and then she goes out. About ready to go now, 4 minutes late, will be the 1108 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross. Down the far distance will be a terminating Southeastern service from London Charing Street, watched by one of their 376. 375 825 brings up the rear.